Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about mathematics expression from A to Z. A for arithmetic series, B for binomial theorem, C for Crame's rule, D for differentiation, E for Euler's theorem, F for fraction, G for Gauss-Jordan elimination method, H for hyperbolic series, I for integration, J for Jordan curve, K for Knot theorem, L for Leibniz theorem, M for matrices, N for number theorem, O for optimization, P for probability, Q for quadratic equations, R for rational numbers, S for sequence and series, T for trigonometry, U for union set, V for vector calculus, W for whole numbers, X for xy plane, Y for Young's inequalities, Z for 0. Now we all see from A to Z. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you for watching our video. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you.